My beautiful people, honestly, this was my trip to somewhere in Ngobala. When I visited this place, running through the lands and the vast forests and farmlands, I realized that somebody must have lied. Whoever in our history that came out to say that Igbo land is a small place, that is a minute place, that is a micro place, whichever language they spoke to undermine our place, that it cannot contain the whole Igbo people that are in our in diaspora, in the rest of Nigerian cities and states and villages, that person is a liar, or those people are liars, and they should be brought to justice. These are farmlands. These are places that if Ndi Igbo come back to develop, believe me, Ala IGBO will be a paradise. Ala IGBO will contain all the whole Ndi Igbo. God, Chukwu Okike, did not create Ala IGBO knowing the future of Ndi Igbo, how populous we are, without providing where we will live. It is a lie. It is all a ploy and a plot to make Ndi Igbo disperse. It is all orchestrated to make Ndi Igbo not to value their land. And most of us bought into this wrong narrative that Ala IGBO is little. Please, this is Ngobala and it's big.